What we're getting to know is that the Kisan Andolan has been suspended for the day. 8 to 9 farmers have been hurt after tear gas shells were used by security personnel to disperse the farmers. The protest for now has been put on hold. Let me go across to Techri. Techri, we've been getting a comprehensive overview of what happened today, what the farmers said, plus what the cops did, the pictures that came in. But now the stir has been called off for the day. What's the latest update?
Well, the latest as if we talk about then today's march has been suspended. The march for the day has been called off. The farmer leaders, farmer leader Pandey, who walked towards the barricade, and then he accompanied along with all the farmers, got the farmers back to the protest site, and then also held a very crucial meeting. And then in a short while from now, they will be making an announcement for what will be their forward strategy. And as of now, in fact, they will be announcing soon where a press conference which is still underway, that will they be carry forwarding this particular march for tomorrow also, or will they be continuing just with the protest and will be opening the doors to have talks with the government, with the central government particularly on their demands? Because farmers have been very adamant for their demands. Farmers have been saying on and on that they do not want the announcement by the agriculture minister, they want the implementation. However, if we talk about the side of the government, then the government says that the doors for the talks for the farmers are always open. However, the farmers claim that there have been no communication as of now from the side of the central government. They are still waiting, and that is why they waited yesterday for the entire day, and then they took the decision today to carry forward their march. Now, what will be tomorrow? That update we'll get in just few minutes from now. But as far as today's march is concerned, yes, few farmers were injured, and as you rightly mentioned, to calm down the farmers and the protesters as well, the police did shower the flower petals on them. Post that, also after making several announcements, the police also used tear gas shells, and in fact water cannons were also used. Meanwhile, in all these kind of confrontations, few farmers got injured and were taken to medical care. And as you bring us that update, H3, let's also tell our viewers that farmers are currently holding a press conference. Like we told you, they have called off their Andolan for the day. But what are the farmers saying? Let's cut across.
आपको सूचित करना था कि आप अपना ध्यान रखें. ये दो बातें हमने दिखी. किसानों ने वहां पर जाके धरना लगाया और पूरा जोर लगाया कि आप मीडिया को इस तरह से नहीं रोक सकते. ये भी एक नई घटना थी. उसके बाद जो प्रशासन ने चालें चली, कभी बिस्कुट, कभी लंगर और फूल, और आपने देखा, आपके रिकॉर्ड में है ये बात, फूल के एग्जैक्ट 2 मिनट बाद हंजू गैस के गोले और रबड़ की गोलियां. और जिस तरह से देखिए आज हवा का रुख मोर्चे की ओर था, जितनी जहरीली गैसें फेंकी गई, ये पिछले से भी ज्यादा थी. और पूरा कोशिश किया गया कि किसानों को किस तरह से बेहोश किया जाए. जो आज 6 किसान जख्मी हुए हैं, मैं उनके नाम आपको बता देता हूं. रेशम सिंह जी पिंड भगतापाई बठिंडा के हैं. ये अभी पीजीआई रेफर कर दिए गए हैं. दिलबाग सिंह जी गिल हमारे लीडर्स हैं. BKMU ये रेस्क्यू टीम में थे, आगे नहीं थे. आगे बम छोड़ा गया इनके ऊपर. मेजर सिंह जी टांड कसेल, ये तरन तारण के किसान मजदूर संघर्ष कमेटी के. ये करनैल सिंह जी लंग BKU आजाद के साथी हैं. इनको मेरे ख्याल ऑक्सीजन लगने की हमें समाचार मिल रहा है. हरभजन सिंह जी वैरो नंगल, ये भी रेस्क्यू टीम में थे, आगे नहीं थे. किसान मजदूर संघर्ष कमेटी के साथी हैं, ये भी घायल हुए हैं. कुलविंदर सिंह जी अठवाल गुरदासपुर, ये भी रेस्क्यू टीम में थे.
So farmer leaders there holding a press conference to give you a brief of what exactly happened. They are accusing the cops of using force. They are also saying that the tear gas shells that were fired today had even more poisonous gases than the ones that were fired 2 days ago. So the confrontation continues between farmers and also security personnel.